Every day, millions of students face bullying and discrimination. The world can see a smile, but no one sees the pain behind it. Bullying doesn't always happen in front of everyone or physically. It can follow us and whisper, silence and messages. Bullying shows up many ways. It can be words that you captive, action and make you feel small, or being left out online or in person. And its effects don't just disappear. They can shake a person's confidence, heart, many friendships, and make everyday things feel very heavy. Bullying may hurt, but we all have the power to change someone's day. Speak up when you never someone being treated unfairly. Reach out to your who feel alone. Every act and kindness, every word and support can truly reminds you that they truly matter.